In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter WordPress admin in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that can seem a bit daunting if you're new to WordPress or managing websites in general. But fear not, because by the end of this guide, you'll be navigating your WordPress admin panel with ease. We'll start by making our way to wordpress.com. This platform offers a wealth of resources, including the ability to build a site, sell your stuff, start a blog, and much, much more. Simply type wordpress.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. Once the web page loads, you'll be greeted with the homepage of wordpress.com, which is the threshold to the vast WordPress universe. Now, to get to the business end of things, you'll need to log in. Look for a login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your WordPress dashboard, where all the magic happens. Clicking on login will take you to a new page dedicated to signing into your WordPress account. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice that WordPress offers multiple platforms for you to log in with. This flexibility is designed to make your life easier, allowing you to use existing accounts on platforms like Google, so you don't have to remember another password. If you already have a Google account, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. It's a time saver and simplifies the login process. Clicking this button will lead you to a page where Google asks you to select the account you want to use for WordPress. This is particularly handy if you, like many of us, have multiple Google accounts. Choose the one you wish to link with your WordPress site. After selecting your preferred Google account, you'll be directed to grant permission for WordPress to access some of your Google account's information. This step is standard for any third-party login to ensure that WordPress can effectively communicate with Google and vice versa. Look for a Continue button, which once clicked confirms your choice and proceeds with the login process. At this stage, if everything goes smoothly, you'll be redirected back to WordPress, logged in and ready to explore. However, remember that granting permissions is a significant step. Always ensure you're comfortable with the data being shared between Google and WordPress. The permissions typically involve basic profile information and email access, which WordPress uses to create or link your account and streamline the sign-in process for future visits. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your WordPress admin panel. From here, the WordPress world is your oyster. You can start creating posts, pages, customizing your site's appearance, and adding new functionalities through plugins. Before I wrap up this guide, let me share a few quick tips for newcomers. The WordPress dashboard can initially seem overwhelming with its array of options and settings. Take your time to explore and acquaint yourself with the interface. The WordPress Help Center is an incredible resource for beginners, offering guides, tutorials, and answers to frequently asked questions. Additionally, remember that security is paramount. Ensure you are using a strong, unique password for your WordPress account and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. Managing a WordPress site is an ongoing journey of learning and adaptation. From today's tutorial, you've taken a significant first step by learning how to access your admin panel. From here on, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, launching an online store, or showcasing a portfolio, WordPress provides the tools to bring your vision to life. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to enter the WordPress admin. I hope this guide has demystified the process and set you on the path to mastering your WordPress site. Stay tuned for more tips, guides, and insights to help you navigate the digital world with confidence.